Natin may problema yung bike natin, guys. So ay, hi to the vlog. Ayaw talaga, guys, oh. Matigas. Epic fail tong comeback ride natin. Medyo lumalakas yung ambon. DI2. Baka naman. So good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So excited for the weekend. It's been a while, guys, since we last did a ride video. I think more than 2 months. So it has been extremely busy, guys. So we have officially moved back and relocated dito sa Singapore. So maraming ganap, maraming nangyari over the past few months. We've moved to new place. We're back in Jurong. Looks familiar to, so where it all started. So balik tayo dito sa dati naming condo. Really nice place, which I will also tour you later. So samahan niyo ako, guys, for a quick ride, coffee today. Let's go! Alright, guys, so after few meters, nasmata natin may problema yung bike natin, guys. So ayaw mag-shift and nakastuck tayo sa pinakamabigat na chainring. So I don't know what happened. So but I have a feeling na napigtas yung cable sa loob. So kaya ayaw mag-shift. Loose siya, walang contact. So we'll abort itong ride na to. Hindi natin kakayanin na nasa biggest chainring lagi. Pero sayang yung biis natin. I'll just probably go sa park siguro, para hindi naman tayo pressured na magmabilis doon. So let's go, guys. Ay, dito tayo sa Jurong Lake Gardens, guys. So bike friendly rin naman to. We'll just stroll and make use of the time na nandito na tayo. Let's go! Not a good start ng ating comeback ride, guys. So talagang ayaw mag-shift. Tinignan ko na, binabaan ko na. Seems like talagang pigtas yung cable. DI2? Baka naman. So hindi natin priority ngayon yan. So priority natin ay makabalik sa pagra-ride. It's been a while. So we've been trying to walk lately kasi talagang medyo nag-gain tayo ng weight for the past few weeks na wala tayong physical activity. So medyo kino-condition pa natin yung legs natin, and I think message ni Lord, sign ni Lord na hindi ka pa ready rin. Stay out muna sa real roadways. Kaya siguro ganito yung nangyari. I don't know, baka nagkaroon din ng effect with recent bike trainer na ginagamit natin to sa bike trainer. So baka naiba yung kanyang sequencing. I don't know, mamaya may nearby bike shop sa atin, we'll have it check. Baka kailangan i-replace yung cables. I think timely rin, medyo matagal-tagal na since the last time we had this service. Medyo nakatambay lang yung bike natin dito sa Singapore, and yeah, so siguro nagtatawag na to ng servicing. So tamay na rin natin doon siguro later on yung bike ni Mami. let's go guys. Still in Jurong Lake Gardens. Medyo nagdi-drizzle ng konti, so talagang hindi nakikisama yung panahon today. So yung panahon at pagkakataon talagang against riding today. So mamaya lang balik tayo, coffee tayo mabilis. Let's go. Hirap pag-ahon, ang bigat. Pero this is good for the legs. Medyo mabibigla lang konti. So I like this oval. Malaki siya. I don't know kung kita sa camera guys. We'll do couple of loops dito para lang to gain clock in a little bit more mileage as we have originally planned today. Let's go. So while riding, ay nak, morning.
Is it not dangerous?
Nasa park lang ako nak, so kaya safe dito. Basta?
Yeah, I can call later.
Say hi to the vlog. Sige, I'll call you ha. So I'll park later. Bye bye. Love you.
Love you.
Ayaw talaga guys, oh. Matigas. Ayaw mag-shift. Medyo lumalakas yung ambon. Pero masarap, malamig. So last time we were here, bagong section to ng Jurong Lake Gardens. So ito yung tinatawag na Japanese Gardens. Ang ganda, oh. Alright, silong tayo dito guys. Water Lily Pavilion. Ayan, bawal din mag-bike dito. Ganda ng kiosk na to guys, oh. So it's a sustainable structure. So puro wood. Epic fail tong comeback ride natin. As you can see, all the way nasa small chain sa cogs. Alright, so but somehow so nakatulong yung mga paglakad-lakad natin. My legs feel better today. If not for the mechanical problem, I think we could have had a good ride ngayon and a good pace, but it's okay. Things happen, so we'll have this check later. Ayaw talaga mag-shift guys. So hoping pa rin tayo guys na ihina na kasi lumabas na yung araw. Let's see, a few more minutes. Diesel pa ng konti pero may araw na guys, yun ang kagandahan. So medyo magiging maputik yung backsplash ng likod natin na ito. Wala tayong ass saver pero kailangan. Somehow okay din yung nangyari today. So parang ngayon ka lang na experience na sometimes okay din pala yung low cadence na medyo loaded yung gear as opposed to usually parang spinner ako so gusto ko yung mabilis high cadence na ride. So but good, slows us down kasi bawal din naman magmabilis dito sa park. As you can see guys, lahat ay nawala. They all take shed. Tayo lang yung nagtuloy pa. Medyo drizzling pa ngayon ng konti pero it's so good. So I think it's now time for a coffee. Let's go. See how beautiful yung Jurong Lake Gardens. Hindi magsasawa dito guys. So very peaceful, daming lushes of green, ganda yung tanawin, fresh air. So babalik-balik ka talaga dito. Alright, back on the road guys. lamig. Backsplash. Alright guys, so medyo malapit na tayo sa bahay. We'll try to drop by doon sa nearby bike shop kung bukas na siya. Pero ano oras na ba? 9 something, so baka sarap pa yan, pero we'll see. If not, mamaya babalik natin and then we go for coffee. Let's go! Alright guys, so we reach yung JD Cycle Works. Unfortunately, sarado pa siya. So I mean, we're siguro 5-minute walk away from here. Babalik na lang tayo mamaya, but dito natin dadalhin yung bike natin. So they do repair, build, and service. So yung pinakamahalaga yung service. So they technically do all types of bike. Nakikita ko rito, pambata, pammatanda, fixie, road, gravel, at kung ano-ano pa, mountain bike. Let's go! Hanap na tayong coffee, then let's go home. Guys, iced coffee. So dito tayo sa Indian Rojak. So right in front ng bike shop na sarado pa. So according to him, mga 11 pa daw nagbubukas yan. So siguro lunchtime puntahan natin. Alright guys, so hindi muna tayo, nag-BS tayo guys. And dadali natin ngayon tong ating bike dyan sa nearest bike shop, yung pinakita natin kanina, and papadiagnose natin kung ano nangyari. Huwag naman sana major. Let's go! Sarado pa rin siya, pero nag-message tayo dito sa QR Road. Sabi niya he's reaching, parating na siya, so medyo late yata siya nag-open today. So what did happen? So the tension of the cable, or?
No. Somehow it got overshift, and then the cable inside actually pop out of where it's supposed to be.
You mean with the STI? From the STI?
Yes, correct, from the shifter. So this happen occasionally. Some people they try to force the shifting, and then the cable might so-called like derail or come out of the groove like that.
Maybe. Right. Okay. Just side stuff. Tires.
Block.
No, just for my story. This one is a nice looking beast. May Wahoo, Physic. This lang guys. So, and sabi niya, let's do a test nung pag-shift. And that will cost me $25 lang. So, I don't know exactly what happened. So, nag-loosen lang basta yung yung cable daw sa shifter. So, but good thing it's working, and let's test it out. Mukhang working guys. Mabilis din yung response. Okay guys, so we're done. So ayos na uli yung ating bike. It was a fast one. So I've met actually yung owner. So bata pa yung owner. So if you're living around Jurong West area, so JD Cycle Works, try to find it sa Google. Very friendly owner, and I think they have most of the bike accessories, things that you need. If not displayed on the shelf, they can order it for you. So that's how they extend the service nila. So bili mo tayong drinks guys, and then I think that's it for this servicing part. See ya! Bili mo tayong refreshments guys. High tea, brown sugar, milk tea. You too?
Yeah.
Right guys, so we're back home. So maayos na uli yung shifters natin. It's functioning, it's working, and we're back cycling. So yun lang guys, that's it for today. Again, really looking forward to create more contents ngayon sa Singapore weekend rides. Now nabalik tayo dito, and most especially with Yvette. Alright guys, till the next one, bye.